And 3, 2, 1. Bada boom, bada bing, bada bing. Bada bing. Got something in my eye. Alright, so what's poppin', everybody? It's your man, Chris Briggs, back again with another video. And as you guys already know, we are back again with another banger. Now, when it comes to this video, I have a nice little sneaker pickup for you guys. Man, this one is going to be a fire one. Now, just a little bit of backstory before we even get into the sneaker unboxing, bro. I came up on a steal, bro. And yes, it does involve Foot Locker, bro. Listen, I understand we're in a pandemic. We're supposed to be quarantined, but you feel me, for the kicks and for the sake of the channel, I had to do what I had to do. So you feel me, I threw on my mask by Spree Collective. Go ahead and get you a face mask so you can stay good all quarantine, you feel me? So I threw on a mask, I headed down to the mall, and I pulled up at the Foot Locker, and I got what I had to get, and Foot Locker was not open. So how did I get that? We're just gonna be quiet. You feel me? We're just gonna be quiet. But without further ado, before we get into this actual unboxing, please go ahead and check out the socials. The Instagram and the Twitter is going to be at IMCHRISBRIGGS and at IMCHRISBRIGGS2. Check out the second Instagram, because once you follow me over there, you get a quick little follow back and you get to stay tuned with all things that I got going on in the world of Briggs, you feel me? But without further ado, sit back, relax, go to McDonald's and get you a Whopper, because we are about to get it popping. Now, don't click off the video because I did that. It's all good. But now, let me go ahead and get the goodies. Yes. So, as you guys can see, we got a bag right here. Now, look at it. Look at it. What does this say? Y'all are smart. This says House of Hoops by Foot Locker. You feel me? And your boy, I got super lucky, bro. So, I'm not going to waste any time. We're just going to get straight into it. Oh yeah, bro. And listen, bro, as soon as I take the bag off, you guys are gonna automatically know what it is. So without further ado, let's do a countdown from 3. You ready? 3. No, that it needs to be better. And 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Yep. Now you're probably asking, yo, Chris, I don't know how you got Yeezys, because it's like, bro, no Yeezy 350 has really released recently. So how did you get them? I don't know. That's it. That's honestly all I have to tell you, bro. I truly just don't know. Sometimes, bro, listen, here's a tip for you guys. When you're putting in work and you just manifest, and you're manifesting all your dreams and all your goals, sometimes the sneaker gods shine their ray of light on you and they just bless you with things. I just don't know how it happens. It just happens. Listen, to you on the other side of the screen watching me right now, just keep grinding. Now, when it comes to the 350 boost that we got, you guys already know I had to get my size 10, but I for sure had to pick up the Yeezy 350 V2 Cinder. And let's keep it real, it's one of them earth tone colorways, so it probably blended in with the box right now, you feel me? I don't know. Ugh, easy, bro. Like stop with these stop with these earth tone colorways. But without, ooh, gotta get into these bad boys right here. Crispy. I dropped them already. I can't have a nice, clean sneaker review. It just can't happen. Bro, is there like a bro, I'm getting old, bro. There's like mustache hairs on my mustache, bro. Now the sneaker pickup for today is the Yeezy 350 V2 Cinders. Now, if you guys were watching my videos a while back, you guys know that I was talking about this sneaker while it was coming out. And I believe that I said that I wasn't too interested in the sneaker because it was pretty plain, bro. Because it's that plain, blackish, brownish looking colorway. And when it comes to Yeezys, I want more of that. I want more color when it comes to my stuff, because a lot of the stuff is pure earth tones. It's pure earth tones. These is like, yo, I'm about to go on a hike. Yo, I'm about to take a trip to Niagara Falls. Yo, if I go to the Amazon rainforest and I'm walking at nighttime, I wear the Cinders because they're gonna blend in to the terrain and the bugs gonna think these is dirt and they not gonna mess with it. You feel me? That is what these shoes look like. I ain't even gonna cap with you. But I will say, these is pretty nice. These are pretty nice. Now I do have to be completely 100% honest. 100% honest. These are pretty nice. I like them. In person, the Cinder colorway is actually not really it's not a black at all. I thought it was gonna be a black, but it's like a mix between a brown and a black. And a little bit of gray too. I don't know how to explain it, but it's something different. One thing that I do think is cool about the sneaker is that nice little chocolate bottom. I'm gonna say the chocolate bottom with the yellow boost is for sure fire. I think that is super cool. Now when it comes to these, as you guys already know, I got a full review and on foot coming for these bad boys. I'm gonna try to give these the treatment, you feel me? And when it comes to the Yeezy 350 V2 Cinder, how do you guys feel about these? Do you guys think that these are dope or trash? Let me know in the comment section down below. Now when it comes to this actual shoe, bro, I'm not gonna get into a full review like I just said, but you can't find the sneaker on the Adidas app like you would think you would. All Yeezys sell out surprisingly. I honestly didn't think that most Yeezys would sell out, but nah, bro, all of them sell out. All of them sell out, and these things for sure sold out. But I did check, and you can find these on StockX for the cool 300. And yeah, bro, these are super good. These are super dope, super nice. Took me by surprise, bro. I saw that Cinder colorway and that earth tone colorway on pictures a while back, and I was like, bro, these things must be absolute garbage. They must be recycling the same colors. They must be. But one thing that I will say is, a lot of the Yeezys that I do see in person, that I see in pictures, low-key look completely different. So that is one thing for you to keep in mind. But today's sneaker pickup, like I said, Yeezy 350 V2 Cinder. Let me know how you feel about those in the comment section down below. As you guys already know, got more videos coming soon. Got more bangers coming soon. And all I have to say is, hey, blessings, blessings, blessings. Make sure you check out the socials and all the other videos I got on the channel, because I got some stuff dropping for you, you feel me? And all I gotta say is, hey, Chris Briggs, signing out. Here, he's all yours.